Melanie Grace. I never guessed that a complete stranger who grew up 950 miles from my hometown would sit across from me at a Buffalo Wild Wings and after church one Sunday and forever changed my life. After our initial meeting, it took me forever to finally ask you out, only for me to forget my wallet on our first date. You stuck with me through the rough start, and I quickly began to fall for you more and more every day. You became my best friend and the person I wanted to pursue every single day. I have always been able to be myself around you, and you have always pushed me to be the best version of myself. We've had so many great days where we have made great memories and experienced so much growth together through some bad days. You love me unconditionally, and I'm so blessed and honored to be marrying the woman of my dreams today. Today I vow to always do my best to continue the little things, sending you flowers or dropping whatever we're doing to go get Culvers together. I vow to push you to pursue your passions, your goals, and your hobbies so that you never lose your love of life or that beautiful smile and contagious laugh that I love so much. I vow to keep our relationship 100-100, not 50-50. I never want you to feel like you only have part of me. I vow complete loyalty to you, to not let anyone come between us. I vow to push you to grow in your faith and to point you back to God in every situation, whether good or bad. When we hit roadblocks, I vow to give you patience, be quick to forgive, and always do my best to communicate with you until we resolve any conflict. I promise to never stop fighting for you, showing up for you, or supporting you however you need. I love you, Melanie Grace, with my whole heart, and I always will.
Jonathan Matthew Raudenbush. I've spent many moments throughout my life dreaming about a wedding day and desiring to be married. A prayer I prayed countless times was that I would trust in God's timing and direction to guide me to that man I would marry someday. Through that process, God had to teach me a lot of patience. And there were many moments that my heart was discouraged, but I stand here today knowing full well that God is indeed good to those who wait. You are the man that He intended for me, and since day one, you have far exceeded any dream I could have dreamed. And I am constantly in awe of the love that God has brought into my life through you. You are a daily reminder to me of the redemption found only through Jesus. You love me with a love far greater than I ever could have imagined. John, I vow to cherish you and view you as the wonderful gift that you are to me. I promise to uplift you in prayer and encourage you throughout all of life's circumstances. I vow to speak highly of you and to respect you. I vow to show you grace and forgiveness as Christ has shown me. I promise to be your very best friend, to laugh with you and to cry with you, and to create beautiful memories with you. I vow to put our marriage first and to use it as a way to share the gospel. I vow to help you and serve you as you lead our family, and to remind you of the remarkable man that you are and that God has created you to be. You are my miracle, John.
When you first told me your name, I didn't hear a word you said, but it was written all over my face. Should've known it was you I would love until the end. Ooh, ooh. When you made it down the aisle, every moment stole my breath. Bet you could see it in my smile. Should've known it was you I would love until the end. I don't know where this road leads. All I know is I wanna go with you in a life where there's no sure things.
take you, Melanie,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poor,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love, honor, and cherish,
to love, honor, and cherish,
until we are parted by death.
until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my song.
Jonathan and Melanie,
yes.
I know you're ready. I've never tried to get through this as fast as possible. It is my honor as the pastor of the Gospel of Jesus Christ today to announce you are now husband and wife. John, you may kiss your bride.
Please.
Introducing for the very first time, Mr. Jonathan.
I won't leave your side for anything. What would be the point? I'm with you through and through. What I was looking for was everything, and everything I found, well honey, I found in you. You're the song I wanna sing. You're the story I wanna tell. You're the reason I believe that honey, love is a ringing bell. Nothing could shake me, but then you shook me. You turned me right side up from being wrong side down. Couldn't be taken, but then you took me. You gave me words to write. You went and changed my sound. Now you're the song I wanna sing. You're the story I wanna tell. You're the reason I believe that honey, love is a ringing bell. Song I wanna sing. You're the story I wanna tell. You're the reason I believe that honey, love is a ringing bell. You're the song I wanna sing. You're the story I wanna tell. You're the reason I believe that honey, love is a ringing bell. Whoa!
was right when it's wrong. I've stayed here too long, but something brings me back to you. I swear we belong, I'm still hanging on, but something brings me back to you. Back to you, back to you, back to you.